My name's Captain Shidler, and I'm the owner of Hang 'em High Sport Fishing. We've been using Suzuki products for 6 years, and they're hands down the best on the market. We run Freeman boats, and our bay boats are young boats powered by Suzuki 300s and 350s. Our Freemans are powered by quad 350 Suzukis. These products have absolutely kept our motors as reliable as possible. We've had 0 breakdowns, 0 failures, and with over 7,000 running hours a year as a company, that is definitely something to speak for.
But you know I would keep it undercover. We could have each other. But you know I would only let you down. You know I'm gonna change. Things just don't stay the same no